Good Monday morning, South Carolina Weather Watch. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Joseph Peterson. Let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Monday morning. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see, we have nice conditions. Nothing's really going on right now inside the state, and it's probably going to be a fantastic day today. If we go on ahead and switch over to the MRMS, we're going to zoom our way out. You can already see just the severe storms down here in the and it's very interesting about how it's this good of resolution. This is the MRMS. It's not really supposed to be that good of resolution, but this is what it looks like. This is Louisiana, by the way, just to the southeast of Houston. Look how good of resolution that actually is. And if we go on to this to the single site radar, which is the best resolution, here's what it looks like here. So very high resolution. That just shows how strong these storms are and really how photogenic they look on radar. Here, the winter weather radar though does not really show it as well because it's mainly just off of precipitation, not really on intensity and all that kind of stuff. Um, well, I mean, yeah, it kind of is off of intensity, but not like really as much as the high resolution, because the high resolution makes it to where winter precipitation or regular precipitation, um, it's gonna be pretty much greens, yellows, and red. But if it's snow, um, on the winter weather precipitation, it switches just from red to blue, so and pink as well. Like up here in Canada, we have some ice. We have some rain going all the way down into North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, upper New York. Obviously, this rain all the way up here towards Chicago and western Michigan. The severe storms down here in Texas and Louisiana. Some snow up here inside of Seattle and um, Oregon. Same thing up here in Idaho with some scattered showers going on in the Rockies right now. Here is our cloud cover right now. Cloud cover is showing some isolated cloud cover throughout the state. Some high clouds in most regions, but again, not really watching for any type of widespread cloud coverage as of right now. But if we go ahead and look at the radar right now, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. The cloud cover is going to kind of dissipate a little bit. It's probably going to be a nice and pretty clear today. Maybe some isolated cloud cover, obviously, in some spots, but I think you see this huge line of clouds that's gonna pass us, getting into like not tomorrow, but maybe even the day, maybe like tomorrow night, early, not tomorrow morning, but Wednesday morning as well. So honestly, it's gonna be pretty interesting to see what the cloud cover does over the next couple of days. But here's our current temperatures: 61 in Winterboro, 59 in Columbia, 68 in Charleston, 64 in Myrtle Beach, 66 in Savannah, 59 in Greenville, 59 in Rock Hill, 59 in Anderson and Augusta as well. Here's our high temperatures through today. High temperatures reach around 81 up there in Greenville, Spartanburg, 82 in Rock Hill, 75 in Myrtle Beach, 76 in Charleston, 83 in Columbia, 82 in Aiken, and then up there 81 near Greenwood as well. Here's our peak sustained winds. Peak sustained winds could get from around, I'd say around 7 to 10 miles an hour in the inland regions, but then once you get to the coast, around 13 to 15 mile per hour sustained winds today. So around 5 to 10 inland, 10 to 15 near the coast. So again, just pretty much your regular sustained winds and your regular everyday lives. And same thing with the gust. Gust can gust up to around 15 to 20 miles an hour pretty much everywhere around the state today. So, pretty normal wind gusts as well, 15 to 20 miles an hour. Maybe some isolated 25 mile per hour wind gusts, maybe near the Myrtle Beach region or up there just to the north of Greenville and the northwest of Spartanburg. Here's our forecasted precipitation for today. As you can see, we have a little chance for some precipitation up there inside the upstate. I'm gonna go ahead and show the models real quick just to see what it shows for right now. But in terms of composite reflectivity for today, go back to the 6Z, switch back to radar omega. If you push this forward, um, I'm not really seeing that much right now. I think it's these storms that or these little showers right here that they're talking about that's gonna move in. This is tomorrow though, and honestly, I'm just looking at these storms right now. I just realized what these storms right here were doing. If this occurs, I would not be surprised one bit if we were put under a marginal risk of severe weather, because these storms look pretty pretty interesting. Maybe interesting. I mean, this goes all the way down. Really, I'm really watching for this region right here for some severe storms going into tomorrow night. So I might have to watch these storms a bit more closely. I did not realize that these storms were really that bad um on radar, but we're gonna or models. But yeah, again, I mean, they say that some rain is possible up here inside the upstate. I'm not really seeing it, so we're just gonna have to wait and see. I guess bring that umbrella with you just in case. But from what I'm seeing right now, what they have here for the National Weather Service is that a little bit of precipitation could go all the way, up there near the Blue Ridge Mountains in the very western upstate. So I guess we're just gonna have to wait and figure out what happens. Here's our day one categorical outlook. No severe weather is expected for the next 24 hours, and no excessive rainfall is possible for the next 24 hours. That's all that I have. So, hopefully everyone has a fantastic Monday, and I'll be back tonight at 9 o'clock. Make sure that you're there. You guys hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button as well. Because we were at 85 subscribers last time that I checked. So everyone, have a fantastic day.